Secretary for Security Chris Tang said the government will identify some designated organizations as critical infrastructure by June. Tang said the computer systems of the identified organizations will be covered by stronger regulations under the Protection of Critical Infrastructures Ordinance. Mucions reports.
The Protection of Critical Infrastructures Ordinance has been in effect since January 1st. Under the ordinance, 8 sectors' computer systems are regulated, including energy and healthcare. In light of the data breach incident of the hospital authority that led to the theft of information of more than 56,000 patients, some people questioned whether the ordinance had been applied. On a TVB program, Security Secretary Chris Tang said authorities need about 6 months to identify designated organizations that require regulation under the legislation.
It will be the first batch of organizations will be designated as critical infrastructure in around June. So by then, those organizations being designated as CI, and they have to be under the new requirement. So for example, a healthcare unit, right? In that, what you mentioned, the incident. So if under the new provision, and there's a prevention responsibility of that organization.
Separately, more than 7,000 individuals have been arrested but not prosecuted for events linked to the 2019 anti-extradition bill protests. Tang said the government has launched a special rehabilitation program hoping to provide a second chance for young people who he described as not bad at heart.
They are being incited with this kind of hatred, with false information, with false news, and now they are very remorseful. We are trying to organize a special program for those people. Some of them, they're really scared about, am I able to go to China? Will I be arrested? And then we'll take them to China to see what's happening.
Asked if authorities would admit individuals to the program based on any criteria, Tang said the project would open for anyone who seeks the opportunity. The security chief said national security threats will never disappear, stressing the need to stay vigilant. Mucions, TVB News.